That jokes one is over.
And you go to every next door.
Guys, I'm only working on that Bluetooth. Please don't judge me.
Can we call you a Casanova?
I am.
I like when you say तू बोल ली हो ना फिर.
अब तू देख बेटा. Hi guys, मैं हूँ समीक्षा.
Hi, this is Vishal.
And we are from
Ting Tigara. You guys are watching us on Bollywood Hungama, so please subscribe
and hit the bell icon.
So rapid fire with Samiksha. If you weren't in the YouTube and TikTok industry, what would you be doing?
TV actress.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Bubbly, adorable, cute.
Would you go to a movie alone?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I love my company.
because I'm lonely.
Because you are lonely, I have a better answer.
So the bad jokes one is over.
But she's lonely.
How I'm lonely? तू है मेरे पास, भावे है मेरे पास.
No, that's alone. You're not alone, but you're lonely. No, there's difference between alone and lonely.
It's a song maybe that he has heard.
Yeah.
What's the dumbest lie you've ever told your parents about your love life?
I am dating a 10-year older man than me.
That's not dumbest, no? But I guess that's
No.
mature.
Yeah, मतलब like
Man is mature.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I'm saying. The man is very mature.
yeah, but मतलब like my parents were like बैठ जा.
कब था ये?
वो नहीं पूछा ना उन्होंने. मैं 12th standard में थी.
Yeah, I'm helping her getting answers from her.
No, I don't mind that at
You
all.
need to count on that.
No, but depends like if that help is like both counting. If you can tell to the world finally, Samiksha किसकी girlfriend है?
Please watch our YouTube video. समीक्षा किसकी girlfriend है? You'll get to know. Self promotion.
One thing you hate and love about your life as a TikToker and
I don't hate anything about my life. I'm really grateful that I have this life, and I love every fact that I'm here. Every day I get up and I have everything, like everything very perfect. I don't hate anything. Hate is a very big word, I think. If I say I'll say I dislike some things, but I cannot change them. I have accepted the way it is, and I love my life as it is. हाँ, ज्ञान दे सकती हूँ
बहुत
ना?
दिनों से अंदर था इसके ये.
ज्ञान दे सकती हूँ ना?
हाँ,
I can be a बाबा.
Yeah.
हाँ, चल.
what has been your most embarrassing moment?
रैम शो में चप्पल टूट गई थी चलते चलते.
That's pretty cool, ना? She can walk like this.
हाँ, walk like
That's
this.
pretty embarrassing as well,
नहीं,
yeah.
of course it was embarrassing because already मेरी हाइट छोटी है और रैम शो था और मेरी हील्स
अच्छा,
टूट गई
लिटरली
थी.
हिल बनवाई थी अपने लिए. मंगाई नहीं थी, बनवाई थी.
Okay.
तो वैसा हाँ, yeah, it was embarrassing.
Who's the most famous person you have in your contact list?
विशाल and भाभी.
Apart from that?
पैसे मिल जाएंगे तेरे को.
Apart from them, there are many other influencers. मतलब like I don't really talk to celebrities. So I have actor friends who are doing serials. So yeah, of course them. I have my best friend Suman Gupta. She's very famous. She's an actress.
She's talking to Rakhi Sawant right now.
I'm taking tips. Yeah. This was a joke.
No, it's okay.
She's really talking to Rakhi Sawant.
When do we get time or I get time?
And I'm really jealous because I love Rakhi Sawant.
Oh wow, Rakhi Sawant, if you're listening this.
Please.
जबरदस्ती की बातें बना रहा है तू.
I think he's stating a fact.
Yeah.
Oh, he's kidding.
No, obviously I'm not kidding.
We did an interview with Rakhi last year and it got like more than 50 million views.
Oh, great.
She's lovely.
She's like
I
another
love
level.
her.
मतलब वो जैसा करती है ना कोई नहीं कर सकता. मतलब
She's totally original.
yeah.
Who's your favorite Bollywood actor and actress?
Actor Hrithik Roshan, actress Deepika Padukone, Alia Bhatt.
Who's the best YouTuber or TikToker according to you?
I cannot take one name because you know there are many people. Everyone is working so hard. एंड सबको ही अपना बच्चा प्यारा लगता है एंड वी आर ऑल कोलीग्स. हम साथ में काम करते हैं. जैसे अगर आप मुझे अब बोलो नेक्स्ट में कि एक वीडियो का नाम लो जो आपकी फेवरेट है आपकी, तो मेरी हर वीडियो मेरी फेवरेट है बिकॉज एवरी वीडियो इज लाइक माई बेबी. तो आई कैन नॉट टेक बिकॉज आई हैव टेकन एफर्ट इन एवरी वीडियो. तो आई कैन नॉट टेक वन नेम. ऑफकोर्स आई लाइक मेनी पीपल. आवेज एंड टीम, फैजू एंड टीम, मतलब बहुत लोग हैं बट एक नाम लेना ऑन यूट्यूब. अपना नाम तो नहीं ले सकते ना यार. तो हाँ मतलब लाइक देयर आर मेनी पीपल. मैं एक का नाम लेके बाकी सबके साथ अनजस्टिस नहीं कर सकती.
That's quite
diplomatic.
Diplomatic and very touching, ना? Yeah. It's very touching.
Touching तो है.
सुनो पता है वो बहुत sarcastic है. तो थप्पड़ खा लेगा.
Okay, so ऐसे दर्द नहीं देना चाहती. Listen, I will not choose you, यार. Come on, यार.
Correct.
Obviously,
I'll
na
not
they'll
choose.
feel bad, na.
I'll not.
Obviously. They're waiting for your interview to come up, so they'll feel bad. Yeah.
तू बोल लियो ना फिर.
I like when you say "तू बोल लियो ना फिर." I like that. Yeah. What's the one thing that you've hidden from your boyfriend?
Because he's my best friend. So nothing. We have a YouTube video. समीक्षा किसकी girlfriend है?
I've seen
There's
that.
still a confusion.
I've seen the TikTok videos as well.
अब तू देख बेटा.
Rapid fire with Vishal Pandey. Last movie you watched and totally loved it.
Pagalpanti. I loved it. I don't know why it's not working.
हमने साथ में ही देखी थी यार. अच्छी थी
This
movie.
was
What are your favorite TV shows while growing up?
Harsh Balveer. It's my favorite.
What?
Trust me on this. I've never watched it.
He's being sarcastic. Please don't. No.
It's a lovely show.
But I think he's
Like you can't see that show for 1 minute also.
अरे तू तेरे को आंसर देने. ये
I
serials,
love Balveer. My
ये
answer.
सीरियल्स नहीं देखता है.
But I
basically.
love Balveer.
ये फिर sarcastic है तूने.
You know, I think it's a good start. An artist who has inspired you a lot.
Please अब तो मेरा नाम ले ले.
Obviously, like I used to watch her videos, and I guess Faizu. He inspires me to reach that level of popularity.
What's the most insane thing you've ever done in love?
In love,
In love? In love?
that's what I've done.
In love?
I have done nothing in love. That's very insane. I
In
do
love?
nothing.
In love?
You have a lot of these
Love?
TikTok videos which are about love and romance.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm
मैं
not,
सिखा रही हूँ ना इन लोगों
but I'm
को.
not like that. I'm not like that.
मेरे से सीख रहे हैं ये लोग.
So what is love?
Love,
Love is friendship.
love is nothing. Love.
Love is nothing.
Obviously, I don't think love is the proper word. I don't think love नाम की कोई चीज होती है for me. It's attraction. It's attachment. It's not love. It's attachment. तो love बहुत ज़्यादा overrated है, according to me.
Love is overrated according
Love
to
is very overrated.
you. Do you agree with him?
I no, I don't agree with that.
Alright. Okay, so she knows what love is.
Yeah, I know.
Ask her. हाँ, tell.
समीक्षा किसकी गर्लफ्रेंड है? Please watch.
She's been promoting YouTube video like anything.
Which series you binge watched recently and totally loved it?
Stranger Things.
Me
Okay,
too.
You like it?
And even Gandi Baat.
Stranger Things.
Stranger Things.
Lloyd Balaji, Gandi Baat. I
No,
love it.
I didn't watch that one. But yeah.
Guys, I'm only working on that Bluetooth. Please don't judge me. That's a very different thing.
We're not judging anything, but yeah, it's pretty interesting. Has technology made dating easy?
Very easy.
Tinder?
Very easy. Yeah? Obviously, there's so much.
What does your Tinder bio read like?
I'm not a Tinder. If you have been, cute boy next door.
You think you are cute. And you go to every next door.
No, but yeah, I would like to believe that.
That's a good one.
I would like to believe that I go every next door.
You know,
but
she's scoring now.
yeah, but I would like to believe that.
That you're going next door?
I'm going next door. Trust me, baby, trust me, I'm going next door.
Mirror Road is मुझे पता नहीं था Mirror Road इतना interesting है.
Baby, hold, I'm going next door.
Do you think TikTok has outdone every other social media?
Truly.
Huh?
Totally.
Is it?
Yeah, obviously TikTok has outdone every other app.
No, but Instagram?
It's obviously, but see
नहीं, we think that competing apps जो है TikTok की उनको किया है, but जो अपनी respective है जैसे YouTube हो गया, Instagram हो गया, they're there.
It's
There's no
the
competition.
second
with
most
TikTok.
down.
It's his rapid.
हाँ,
Yeah.
but मतलब like I cannot.
No, it has outdone, but obviously Insta is very big.
हाँ.
But TikTok has outdone.
It's interesting. Both of you have different point of views,
Yeah.
which is interesting. How do you deal with breakups?
I laugh. I usually don't care because if it would have been meant to be there with me, रहता मेरे साथ नहीं है. It's her choice. It's her decision. So it's okay. I party hard.
I've learned.
with my friends.
You should never let it go.
The relationships that you've had so far, were they love?
No, they were not.
They were not love relationships.
I don't know about the current scenario or future scenario, but जो past में थे, they were not.
But ये तो question ही अलग, मतलब ये तो love में believe ही नहीं करता, तो फिर कहाँ का love?
But maybe he doesn't know, na, still.
Yeah.
He still doesn't know.
I'm learning, guys. I'm learning.
Maybe he doesn't want to say it on camera, maybe. Yeah.
No, I'm learning. I'm learning how to love.
I'm trying.
He's learning
I'm
how to
trying
love.
hard.
That sounds like a song actually.
है ना? See,
क्या?
Learning how to love.
learning how to love.
Loving how to love.
And you're also saying lonely sometime back. That's a song as well.
वो तो वो
Learning
क्या ना?
how to love being lonely
Right.
while being
So
lonely.
you're preparing yourself to be in love.
Yeah.
अभी खुद से प्यार करेगा, इससे बेटर क्या होएगा लाइफ में?
I love myself the most ना, ऐसा
हाँ,
बोल
ये
रहे
तो है सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड बहुत, तो ये खुद से इतना प्यार करता है और की जरूरत ही नहीं है इसको लाइफ में।
Because I think अगर आप खुद से प्यार नहीं करोगे आप दूसरों से प्यार नहीं कर सकते।
I think I agree with that.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah,
good
of
point.
course.
It's a good point.
I think every actor love himself herself, वो तो है ही, बट इसका थोड़ा ज्यादा है।
What did you want to be when you were growing up?
I want to be the biggest sensation. I'm not defining a career goal कि if in Bollywood or in digital space or in any, but I want to be the like a biggest name, you know, that prevails in the market. Yeah.
Which filmy character you would like to date?
I guess Piku.
Piku.
वो तो मुझे पता था।
Piku और या तारा।
From Tamasha. Okay, so you're like a Deepika Padukone.
Yes.
Tamasha is like a very hardcore romantic film. You're saying you don't know how to love.
But I'm romantic.
So you are romantic, but you don't believe in love.
बट उसको शायद तारा जैसी लड़की नहीं मिली ना अभी तक।
Tara is I would choose Tara or Naina from Agent. Naina. I'm a diehard Deepika fan.
Yeah.
I would anytime choose her.
That one, na? That Javani.
Javani. Yeah.
Acha.
Naina Talwar.
So you're like a hardcore
Naina.
Deepika Padukone fan.
Totally.
But you are a romantic, so but still you say that you don't believe in love.
But you know, being romantic and being in love is totally different thing. You can be romantic with everyone, na? Like with not everyone, but
Yeah,
but you can't be in love with, you know, that's only one person you can love the most, right? But romantic का tag ऐसा नहीं है. You can be romantic with like
Your Tinder bio will read cute boy next door and you're loving everyone.
Yeah.
You were romantically inclined towards everyone. So can we call you a Casanova?
no,
oh,
not at all.
no.
Not at all.
I am I'm ladies man. You can call me that, but I'm not Casanova.
You're a ladies man, but you're
I'm not Casanova.
मतलब like ladies boy in the sense कि मतलब like मम्मी का भी, बहन का भी, सबका मतलब प्यारा वैसा।
अच्छा वैसे
उस सेंस में कह रहे हैं ना?
No.
I thought so. That is why I
I'm
thought.
saving you man, whatever.
I'm working for that. Don't stop me.
अरे तो बट तू अपनी मॉम का
No, obviously, I would like to believe I'm ladies man.
हाँ तो बन जा आप ladies man।
Same. Moms, sisters, my friends, everyone. I would like to believe, but I'm not Casanova. I don't like to
तो
believe.
अभी तूने वही बोला ना जो मैंने बोला था, तो फिर क्या दिक्कत थी पहले लाइफ में? मैं जस्ट इनको
मेरा
save
फोकस
करती
हटा
हूँ।
रही है ये, मेरा फोकस हटा रही
I
है.
was saving you. अब तुम ठीक है।
I think he has worked really hard.
No, please go ahead.
And
I've worked very hard,
less,
obviously.
less diplomatic as well.
Yeah.
Your answers were wonderful too.
Thank you.
But I think we'll have to give it to Vishal.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
can you please give it to him, man?
I would like to thank my mom and dad and sir obviously and Samiksha for being the not so wonderful my partner.
I think she was pretty good.
And she was pretty good and just like Pariniti always say in Coffee with Karan, मैं जो कहूँगा सच कहूँगा और हैम्पर या फिर इसके लिए कहूँगा और प्लीज इस टाइम तक ही रखो ये, बाकी इसको सोचना मत मैंने जो जो बोला. थैंक यू.
Hi guys, मैं हूँ समीक्षा
Hi, this is Vishal.
and we are from
Ting Tigara. You guys are watching us on Bollywood Hungama, so please subscribe.
and hit the bell icon.